The UK government plans to fly 200 British citizens from Wuhan, the centre of the new coronavirus outbreak. British Health Secretary Matt Hancock has instructed officials to put them in quarantine for 2 weeks, possibly at a military base. Britons have been reassured they will be given the best possible medical care and advice. Australia also plans to quarantine 600 returning citizens for 2 weeks on Christmas Island, 1,200 miles away from the mainland. Japan, the US and other EU countries are also repatriating their citizens. British Airways, which operates daily flights to Shanghai and Beijing from Heathrow to and from mainland China, with immediate effect until the 31st of January while the situation is assessed. Other airlines, including United Airlines, Air Canada and Cathay Pacific Airways, have already cancelled some flights to China. The number of deaths from the virus has risen to 132 in China, the Chinese National Health Commission said on Wednesday. 4 cases have been confirmed in Germany, making it the second European country to report cases after France. The United Arab Emirates has also confirmed its first cases of the virus in a family who recently returned to the United Arab Emirates from Wuhan. An expert from the NHE said it could take 10 more days for the outbreak to peak. Like the similar SARS and influenza viruses, the new coronavirus is a particular risk for elderly people and those with pre-existing illnesses. The sharp rise in cases is in part attributed to increased awareness, monitoring and testing in recent days. The virus, which can cause severe acute respiratory infection, is thought to have emerged from illegally traded wildlife at a seafood market in Wuhan, the capital of Hubei province. There is no specific cure or vaccine. A number of people, however, have recovered after treatment. United Airlines has cancelled 24 US flights to Beijing, Hong Kong and Shanghai between the 1st and the 8th of February because of a sharp drop in demand. Cathay Pacific said it would cut flights to China from the 30th of January to the end of March, while Air Canada has also reduced its number of flights. Indonesia's Lion Air said it would be temporarily suspending flights from Saturday, affecting dozens of flights on routes to 15 Chinese cities. Russia's Ural Airlines said it had suspended some services to Europe popular with Chinese tourists, including Paris and Rome, because of the outbreak. Other airlines are introducing measures aimed at reducing the chances of spreading the virus, while Singapore Airlines was among those allowing crew to wear masks on China flights. New Zealand will cooperate with Canberra to bring its 53 citizens home alongside the Australian evacuees. Some 200 Japanese nationals have been flown from Wuhan and have landed at Tokyo's Haneda airport. Around 650 others said they wanted to be repatriated, and the Japanese government said new flights were being planned. According to Japanese media, several of the returnees were suffering from fever or coughs. All will be taken to hospital regardless of whether they are showing the symptoms. 240 Americans, including workers from the local US consulate, have also left the city. According to CNN, the evacuees might have to stay in isolation in an airport hangar for up to 2 weeks. The people are being quarantined. China is closed.